Useful phrases when riding the jeep. Pwede po bang umupo dito? Pwede po bang umupo dito? Can I sit here? Pwede po bang umupo dito? Pwede po. Yes, you can. Pwede po. If it's hot in the jeep, please open the window. Pakibukas po ang bintana. Pakibukas po ang bintana. Pakibukas po ang bintana. Please open the window. If you haven't paid your jeepney fare yet, you might hear this from the driver. Huwag po nating kalimutang magbayad. Don't forget to pay. Huwag po nating kalimutang magbayad. Huwag po nating kalimutang magbayad. Huwag po nating kalimutang magbayad. Don't forget to pay. If you want to stop, if you want to pull over, say, para po. Para po. So if you want someone to practice with, you could go to learntagalogfilipino.com and I can help you practice your Tagalog.